Here is a Paurotis palm tree. It is a clustering palm tree in the Dougherty Garden, and it's in the front of the Dougherty Garden. Gets sufficient sun, make it happy. And let me just get a little closer to show you. Some of these palms all have uniqueness. The uniqueness about this palm is that they all have these little spines on the edge of their leaf stem. And you just got to be aware of the paragrowth when you're cutting this, maintaining it, keeping it pretty. As you can see, I haven't touched it since, I guess, late last fall. It needs a little work on cleaning it up, but what I like about it is that the uniqueness of the trunk after a period of time gets like that, so I just cut the stem just a little bit close, so this way it looks all uniform down. And you continually get growth on the bottom, as you can see. Each little cluster of palms has this fan-like shape. Very pretty, very unique to the Paurotis palm. And it makes a great landscape addition to your garden. Let me just try to get close over here. This is on the very bottom. As you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, and a few other one straggles in the box down there. And I'm not one for trying to let these things grow tall. Maybe that's the problem why I don't get seeds with it. But when it gets to a certain height, I just can't get up there to cut the little stems off. So what I do is I let it go to about 6 feet, and then 6 feet is about as I can get for cutting it. And I'll take my little handsaw and cut it at the base. Let me get in there and I'll show you a little closeness of that. And it is down there before I cut the base off. That allows me to still get a clustering palm, but I'm not sure if it has a problem with getting seeds out of it. They have little quarter-inch black seeds that come out there. I can get access to the seeds locally here because there's a few other places that grow them. But I'm just curious when it's going to happen for mine. So here's the main stem that I have here right now. Let me just follow you up. Look up nice and pretty. And a nice little cabin. So that's Marty from the Dougherty Garden with his Paurotis Palm. Thank you for stopping by. Visit us at the Green Dougherty blog. And if you have any questions, just let them. I'm all ears. Love to learn more about palms. Thank you.